What? There is an assignment on the rocks? Somebody help me, somebody help me, somebody help me, please. Idea. Let's do some research on the computer. This is a volcano. Here is magma that heats up and makes lava to form. Do you see this? Yes, this lava solidifies and when it's cold becomes igneous rock, such as granite. Granite is used in the formation of buildings. And statues. Now I need to research on sedimentary rock. This is sand, soil, and dead plants. They form layers on top of each other and there is pressure. They press each other. They solidify and sedimentary rocks are formed, such as limestone, which is found in the cement and used in the making of road. This is coal. Coal is used in power electric stations to give us electricity and light. Now I need to find out about metamorphic rock. The magma heat and the pressure of sand, soil and dead plants form metamorphic rock, such as marble used in our homes and slate, as in the blackboard. Yeah! Now I know all about the rocks.